Well, hello. Are you guys sick of that yet? Leave your response in the comment. Should I say hello like that every stream? Or do you want me to use other voices? Or just not say hello to you? It's up to you. I'm gonna listen to you guys. You're the ones that are getting annoyed by it. Well, hello, everybody. It's your local WordPress programmer, Scott V. Adrian. On for another adventure in the world of making your own fucking game engine, piece by piece, making it do something. Yeah, so did a little recording earlier for the new song, the new cover song, and I recorded the recording. I'm going to be compiling a long form video of the recording process of it, and you know, I don't know, shit, maybe I'll use it for the song itself, you know, me singing it. Never done it before, so I don't know. Quality of the recording looks good, but song's in Italian mostly, and I don't speak Italian, so pronouncing the words has been troublesome, especially because I'm doing the song in 1.5 times speed. So saying these Italian words quickly is even harder. So yeah, I think I got like the first line of the verse, and then I just jumped to the chorus, which is a little easier. But yeah, I now know I'm gonna have to do a lot more practicing. I do have a lyrics video, so I can like hear how they pronounce it. I think what I'm gonna do is watch the video and like write down how I think it sounds, like the words the way I think they sound, because when I read the actual words, you know, it's could be misleading to me because I don't know how to pronounce them, right? Sorry, I also completely destroyed my setup to reset up in the studio or the movie theater room. So I used both my mic stands that I'm using for lights here for the mic and a light. And actually here, I can pull up the video so you can see what I'm talking about. Oh shit, I already forgot where it was. It was in... I think I found it... Here we go. Movies. And it would be this... Oh shit, wrong one. Cancel. That is an OBS specific. This might crash my computer. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, so you see that's me in the oh shit, the recording's horrible. I forgot the recording kind of does that weird stutter shit. Okay, well this is pretty much worthless.
I kinda get what's going on here.
That's so stupid.
It's so quick.
This is a sneak preview.
Yeah, so again.
You see, so I got... I'll turn it down a little bit. Yeah. See what I mean? Fucking fast. I can do it. Ugh. I can hit the notes, but it's actually not as jittery as I thought. No, see, it looks good now. Ah, see, it's getting stuttery again. Yeah, that might be a little annoying. So, my best bet is actually probably streaming it. I wonder if that'll work, though. Because if I stream it, then it'll be recorded by Twitch. And I can use that recording. I just really didn't want to stream it live. Because I don't know, it's embarrassing. Because I don't want to like show how shitty I am at pronouncing the words. That's okay. I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna practice the words off on my off time. And then I will, when I'm ready to go and I memorized it, it's gonna be the best idea to memorize these words. Because reading them is almost impossible. I'll probably still have them up as a prompt, but yeah. It's gonna be great though. Because I mean, yeah, the singing part's gonna be cool, but then you get that screaming and it'll really make it metal. Song sounds great though. The instrumentals came out really nice. Okay. Well. Yeah, I turned in the book yesterday. Feels great. Unfortunately, since I was a couple days late, they're going to be a couple days late. So I'm not going to be getting the book back until June 25th. That is 5 days before I have to release it. Or else I miss my commitment, my pre-order commitment. So that means in 5 days, I have to get it into typesetting, completely put together. With all the icons, with all the, you know, front space, back space, front matter, back matter. That's gonna be rough. Could probably do it. I think the 25th. Let's actually look that up. What day is the 25th? How do you... I wish there was just like an easy fucking calendar that I could just pull up. Calendar. Well, this is annoying. Look at the goddamn image. Let's zoom in. Okay. So June 25th is a Tuesday. I have to turn it in at least by Sunday. So I will have some time on the weekend to really hammer it out. My problem is that there is no time between the line editing and the proofreading. I wasn't able to factor in revisions, or, you know, me having 2 weeks to kind of look at it. Otherwise I would have missed my release date. So basically I have to read through really quick the entire book. Just to make sure there's nothing completely crazy. I'm not 100% against releasing an MVP and then, you know, updating it later, because you know, I missed some typos even in the first book, and I went over it a million times. So, you know, if anything needs some major updates, I'll make sure to handle that post-launch. Why does this have none of that? Well, where we left off here, is setting up the trigger points to start the animation, or start the NPC's walking path. So he's starting already, which is fine. Okay, yes. Sorry, yes. Let me get out of your path. And now I basically want to see why these are breaking. Okay. 698. And yes, so that would be in here, of course. 698. Alright, yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to definitely do some checks before I just use these. Which I think I had that originally like this already. And now I'm fucking reverting what I already undid. Yeah, right. And I honestly I don't want this to exist if path trigger we'll put whatever left. If that doesn't exist, then I don't want to run this at all. Because that would be basically like you just saw on the front end, it's just empty. There's no reason for this to exist. Okay. But let's go ahead and add trigger. Here it is, path trigger. So, path trigger left equals false equals empty. Path trigger. That's the first time I could really hear my scream in that part. I don't know why. Do it. I haven't heard from Ryan in a little while, actually. He was supposed to be sending me a song to sing on. He's been kind of busy with his new house and stuff, so I don't blame him. Okay, so let's just use this and copy these out. Give me left, top, height, width. What the hell is that? Do I not usually have the right headphone in? Everything sounds so clear. Yeah, right. Well, that's not good. I don't like that these are not in line. It's a lot of variables. Alright. Let's go ahead and change this to top. Top. You are height. Height. You are width. Width. And you can be, so I'm going to be doing point. Point. That's the point where you, no, not doing point, because you can just set the trigger onto a point. Cutscene. Oh, wait, do we have, where's the cutscene function that pulls the cutscenes in? I have it. Well, that's the function right there, but where am I using that function? Oh, it's separate. Okay. Yeah, no reason to have this then. That's a separate thing. Yeah, right? Right. And let's go width. Man, I was just watching another game developer's stream before this. I don't know, I like to support people. And he rated me during one of my streams with a few people. So yeah, I followed him, and you know, I like to support who I can. And he's working in Godot and doing some like Final Fantasy shit, 3D models and stuff, and I'm just like, and he's all talking like, you know, my shit's all like good or like complex. I mean, it is complex. I'll give him that. Needlessly, but it is complex. But yeah, I was just like, man, I'm not doing shit, you know? I mean, all of my game is dependent on is the assets, really. Like, once I get all the pretty pictures on the screen, and then everything's gonna look like, whoa, you know, super professional. But until then, it's just like very shitty movements and little balls flying at your face. Balls flying at your face. Great game. Oh man. Welcome back, shitty computer. Let's turn Wi-Fi off, because I am jacked in. Alright, what else do I got here? Alright, so this should now at least show up correctly. Let's see what we get. Yeah. Alright. Hiding from the truth. Don't worry, it's your time. And no one's going to miss you. It's fine, it's just the end. You're fine, it's just the end. I haven't sang that in a while for you guys. Okay, here we go. Map cutscene, porno cutscene. Nope, not cutscene. I need Orbem area. Okay, so it's not showing up. Unfortunately, it should be showing up because there is a trigger path. That means that I'm not pulling it correctly. Let us see. What are you doing? Oh, Toby. Sorry, I preemptively muted myself. My wife walking around. A-doop, 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 a-doop. Oh yeah. Boop. Where the hell's my var dump? Oh. So it's a string, array 1. God damn it. Explore path trigger. I was all cool and thought I didn't have to do that. Alright, that's fine. So yeah, none of these will exist. Because I need... I'll just do this. Why not? One more line, right? Path trigger. Explore path trigger. Then we'll use path trigger. Explore after. Thank you. Thank you, IDE. I did not want to type that again. Otherwise, burp. Okay. I think we're on to something. Trying to... Okay, good. Alright, now we should see some shit. Wait, I don't... Let's get rid of that bar dump. I'm a little blocky right now. Not super into that. Yeah, I've been watching some of my streams and... I mean, it's on and off throughout some of my streams, but like... The lagging shit is really annoying. I mean, I just feel bad if anybody's like trying to watch it and then I'm like... You know? Because I watch other people's streams and they're not doing that. I mean, sometimes maybe like it's like a lower quality video, but never completely fucking starts looking like shit. I mean, I could give myself a lower quality video, I guess, and I won't have that problem, but I want my face in high def. Here we go. Boom. So we got left, top, bop, bop, bop. Okay. So where is this? I don't even know where it is. Let's walk around. Oh, it's 70, 10, 80, so it's fucking top of the top of the morning. Damn it. Got this one little gnat that refuses to leave me alone. Oh. No, that's over there. Alright, well, let's give it a real motherfucking position. So that would be 1500 by 1400. Loading, loading, loading. Get this shit loading. Forno. Yeah, it's funny. Forno's not even that big of a character in the book. He's got one part in book 1 and another part in book 2, and I just like him. I like the, you know, the bully, big fucking dick bully character. And he's ginger. Don't look into that too hard about my thoughts about gingers. Wait. Okay, yeah, that's the walking path. Okay, here's the trigger. So it's gonna be, what did I say? 1500 by 1400? And then let's make it bigger. Let's make it like 200 by 200. A nice thing. Oh, let's get rid of these, because I do not want those. Did you see the shirt I'm wearing? Can't see it because of my mic. Here, I'll show you. It's very worth it. Impressed. Portugas D Ace. You know, I like me some One Piece, man. Not my favorite anime in the world, but it's one of them. It's in my top 10 for sure. Yeah, not because it's like the most innovative storylines in the world. It's very repetitive. And it's a slow burn. God damn, it's a slow burn. But, oh, there it is. I was not correct with my calculations. Yeah, it's good though. I mean, there's over 1,000 episodes, and I've watched them all. No spoiler alerts if you are already reading the manga and shit. I don't read the manga. I don't have time. But you have time to watch 1,000 episodes? No, I don't have time for that either. It took me 12 years to watch that many episodes. And that is a true statement. I mean, I've been watching One Piece for longer than that, but I caught up to the Wano, saga, shit, 10 years ago? I mean, that's when it started. And then I stopped watching it just because I ran out of episodes, And then, what's his face? Me. And then, I just wanted to, what actually happened? Why I started watching fucking One Piece again? I might have mentioned this into another stream. Hold on. Top is 1751, 1635. 1751, 1635, whatever. 1635, cool. What had happened was, I play Roblox with my daughter, because that's what you do when you want to hang out with your kid, who is, Gen Z. Wait, no, not Gen Z. Gen Alpha. Shit. She's not that old. When you want to hang out with a Gen Alpha, you play Roblox, right? And I kept seeing this fucking Luffy character with white hair and like a crazy face. And I'm like, wait, what? Is this just like some meme or something? Like, what is this? I completely had no context for what the fuck I was looking at, and it made me so upset that I didn't understand the One Piece reference. And I'm like, dude, I've watched like hundreds of One Piece episodes and I don't understand the reference. Yeah, anyways. So I caught up. I just watched it in my office while I was working. I just put it in the background and I did it. Okay, let's see. Do I already have like some built-in shit so I can get an engaged class on this? Or can I not run into it? God, why am I walking so goddamn slow? Oh, I hate that F1. Okay. Oh, look, I do. It says engage. Okay. Now, I don't care that it's engaged. I need to know when it gets engaged. Which is the same as any interaction, so. But when it is engaged, I can call upon the one. So basically what's happening here is I'm going to get the... We got the Triggy, which is Forno map item. That's the Triggy. The trigger is true, because it's a trigger. So, if you interact with a path trigger, which right now there's no way for me to tell that this is a path trigger. There's nothing specific saying this is a map trigger. A path trigger, I mean. So, first off, let's make sure I have... Ooh, chills. Make sure I have something built in for that. So we got the trigger shit. So let's just add a class. We'll call it path trigger. Boom, easy as that. Now we have a class to look at. Okay, so we're going to use that when I interact with a path trigger item. I'm going to read its triggy, which is its post name. Okay, so the post name is the character. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the character path. So let's get into the logic now. Right here. This path logic right here. Alright. And now move NPC is how you start shit, right? So let's go to where I'm triggering this. Right now I'm just triggering it on load because whatever. So I don't want to do that though. Because what I'm going to do is I'll add a class like this. It's going to be like this. Path on load. Okay. Path on load. So what's going to happen is if you don't select a trigger at all, it's all zeros, empty fields, I'll add a class called path on load. And then it'll only trigger paths for people which I basically want to move on page load. So this will not work. Okay, so this is gonna be for enemies and characters. Okay, they need to have data paths, which are not here. Oh, this is the fucking trigger path. Sorry. Excuse me. Here? No. Here? No. Where did I put the shit? The walking path shit. I put it... Oh, right above, right? Yeah, trigger with trigger... No. No, not correct. This is the walking path. Where did I put... Whoa. I put the... Nowhere. What the fuck? This is a map item. I know it's in array enemy trigger. Oh. Oh no. I think I'm tripping. See, it has to be here. In the data areas. It has to be you. Shit. Where am I defining this? Oh, data path. Right here. So that's if false. Okay, that's if they have a data path. Okay. So if they have a data path. So this logic right here. If they got this. Then I still want to load this. With path on load. Okay, so we're going to do this. If this is in array, and we're going to add a new piece of the condition. If that's not empty, or false equals walking path, explore path. Okay, I'm stupid. I don't need that. There's no or. It's just this. Yeah. Okay, so if it has a walking path, then load this. But actually, let me steal that again. But if this condition's met, then I want to add a new class, and it's going to be what the fuck did I say? Path on load. Path on load. Yeah, right. It's gonna be this path on load. Oops. There you go. Expression will not change after applying. Do it. Oh. There we go. Double quote. False equals empty. Then that. Otherwise that. I don't know what you mean. You know, and I probably should just do this logic outside of this function. That would be smart. Path on load, which is right here. Create on load class. Alright. Path on load equals false is empty, then path on load. Otherwise, this shit. Alright, we're good. We are good. Okay, so now, if he has anything in the trigger fields, then this should not automatically make him walk. So let me go over to Forno just to see him and prove to myself I did this right. Alright. And let's refresh. So far, so bad. Let's see why. Does he have the class? He does. Why? What is wrong? Oh. True. Sorry, I have this backwards. Well, we know it works when you have the class. Now let's see it work without the class. Or not work without the class. Badu. You shit. You should not be there. Hold on. What the fuck? Is the class gone? The class is... Yeah. It is gone. Then this should not be loading on load. Oh wait, did I not compile the JavaScript? I just make JavaScript changes. I'm like, they just work. Because I assume I have hot reloading, which I do not. You know why I don't? Most of you know why. Because I still haven't given my code over to Weaver to create a super sweet local environment setup for me. And I'm still using Node version 11.14. Which, womp. Because I'm still using a shitty version of Gulp. But what's really important is that what I'm doing works. Because if I try to upgrade my own stuff, I just end up breaking my environments, and then I can't do any deving. So it's like, it's better to be on a shitty old version than not be able to dev at all. which, I don't give a lot of time to this. I'm gonna give a lot of time to this, but I don't like give a lot of quality time to this. I will one day, once it requires it. Don't move. Don't you fucking move. Okay, good. He's not moving. But now let's test that the class works. Oh shit. Hold on. No. I don't remember those numbers. What was it? 17 shit, some shit. Okay. 1752, 1635. Alright, 1752, 1635. I'm not good at remembering names, but I'm pretty good at remembering numbers. There must be something about your brain that allows that. I don't know why. Like, I memorize mine and my wife's social security number, my credit card number, a lot of phone numbers, Oh, it's not moving. Well, then it must not be getting the class. Chihua? No, look, path on load. It's there. Why aren't you moving then, dude? Let's... Wait. This is the fucking trigger. Why am I adding it to the trigger? I need to add it to the character. What am I doing? Why am I being stupid? God damn it. You are a stupid, stupid man. Hold on. Hold, please. Unstupefying myself. There, we got this. Yep. Oh wait, where are the classes actually? That's what I need. His classes are here. Here. Oh shit. Class is defined. Alright, let's add another thing here. Classes. Okay, this will just be a generic way of adding classes now. Classes that I want to add. So we'll go shoop a doop a doop. And classes equals path on load. I mean, at least for now. Until I want to add other classes. Alright. Now it should be on him. And that should cause him to move on load. What? He's not moving? Is that what you're gonna say? God damn it. Did I put the class on here? Doop, ba-doop, 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 ba-doop. There is... Oh, look at path on load. I did not add a space. Womp. Try again. I didn't get any good naps today. Crucial to my livelihood. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Moving just like I drew it. Okay. 1752. 1635. See what I mean? I memorize those numbers, but I can't remember a class name that I say to myself, 30 seconds ago. Okay. Now that we have a walking trigger field again, then he should not walk on load. Beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. How do they do ASMR? Is it like that? They just get really into the mic, turn their sound up. Will this thing not... Like, does it work better without it? Yeah, it seems like it works better without it. I can really just put the littlest bit of noise in there. Comment on my newest shorts if you want me to do ASMR. That's so creepy. You want a 35-year-old man whispering in your ear? Yeah, you do. By the way, you might have noticed in today's video stream, if you're watching this in the future, I have too much hair on my face. I missed my weekly shave. Not like I go get shaved, but I didn't have a chance to shave myself. And I my schedule's pretty sound, pretty set up, very big routine between the kids and work, and so if I don't take care of myself at the right time, then I just miss it completely. And then I'll go a full week without it. Okay. Now let's make walking into that bullshit trigger it. So we know that move NPC is what's up. The character is going to be querying, the character that I run into. So let's find where that is. I think it's, oops, shit. Point, character points, character point, not at no point. I don't want to do that. I want to do no. Too many functions in one file. Yeah, this is a massive file, guys. I'm definitely gonna need to add some major compressing and shit, which I'm not doing right now. Engage enemy. Here we go. No, let's get current points. I need to update point bar. No. I need to equip button. No, this is all not what I need. I need a motherfucking point function. Alright, let's just look at, what is it? User points? Add user points. There we go. Okay, and this gets triggered during explore position. This is a very important function. This controls everything. Not everything, but it controls all the interactions with the character, right? Because the entire game is me intersecting with other objects on the screen. Whether it's being pushed back because it's a collision point, or it's me, running into weapons and getting hurt, or running into breakable objects and, making my fist hit it. So this is the function in which I pass coordinates and move myself. But yeah, you can see this has a lot of logic inside of it. And this is where we're going to add the logic for moving the NPCs. So we'll add a quick, we'll just add to the list. So this is for NPC walking path trigger. So, if value dot class, that's wrong, class list contains what did I call it? You see what I mean? I don't even fucking remember what I called it. Path trigger. Like, why wouldn't you remember that? Shit. Path trigger. So that means what I'm running into is an item called path trigger, which, picture this, and why the entire game doesn't explode when I run it. This for each is running through every item on the map every 20 milliseconds and checking if I'm touching it. Are you thinking there has to be a better way? There is. It's intersection observer. It's an async function. And I could loop through every item, create an intersection observer. I don't know. Maybe. I'm not focusing on optimizing yet. I definitely will have to eventually. Because I can't be running a for each on 100 things every 20 milliseconds, you know what I mean? Luckily these if statements do, you know, a lot of the optimization, you know, because it's kind of just checking all these if statements, and none of this logic gets hit unless one of them gets a yes. But you know, it's hitting all of these things every 20 milliseconds, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, if this contains path trigger, which would be awesome. Now, then I need to get the triggy, right? Value dot get attribute, and that's going to be data triggy. Then I'm going to do actually, fuck it. Let's just do this. Document.query selector. It will be you. Okay. That's the triggy. And then move NPC. Triggy. It's triggy. Triggy. Triggered NPC. Ooh. Now I'm triggering NPCs. How fucking rude. Am I doing triggy right? Triggee. Yeah, okay. Alright. I mean, that should be it. So here's what's gonna happen. Oh, well, first off, here's what's gonna happen. I'm going to compile because I didn't, and I would have just wasted a bunch of time like I always do. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm going to load the page. Porno will not be walking. I'm going to run into that trigger. He will start walking. That is logic. Unfortunately, I'm creating a logic right now that I don't need for what we're using this for, but whatever. Oh shit. Why is he moving? Wait, what the fuck is he doing? Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. What am I doing? What did I do wrong? He's getting triggered. Wait. Contains path trigger. Oh shit. That's not, I did not mean. No. It's not path. It's path. Wait, yeah, path trigger. Wait, who has path trigger? It's you. So I didn't run into path trigger. Well, for some reason it thinks I'm running into Triggy. Oops. Why does it think I'm running into him? Let's see the craziness going on. Do. It's constantly trying to change it. So, path trigger, eh? Okay, we're running into the scenario where it's probably... No, this is inline style, though. Oh, is it because maybe this is not inline? Let's... No. Let's see what's going on here. I want to look at the HTML before I click continue. Wow. Because he's not walking yet. He's still chilling. But as soon as I click... Okay, so it looks like path trigger's over there. No, see? Yeah. Weird. It didn't look like he got triggered at all. Welp. Oh, wait. Yeah, see... Just the fact... Yeah, I didn't do this. That's the problem. I didn't do the overlap. So right now it's just doing whatever it wants. Okay. Hold on. I need to see if we're overlapping. A dupe. And... dupe. What am I? Box? I am box. Box is me. Yes. And then value. Okay. Let's see if we overlap. So this will only happen if we overlap. If I overlap with the trigger. A boop, 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 boo, doo, boo. Alright. Let's try this again. So, I almost finished Mad Max 2. There we go, he's not walking. Which is I believe the most famous of the Mad Maxes. You know, what really got it started, the lore, because Mad Max 1, just Mad Max, was fucking stupid. You know what I mean? I mean, it gave a good origin story, you know, his, spoiler alert, his, you know, wife and kids getting killed, which, you know, he went crazy and whatnot, but they actually didn't say his wife died. They just said that she actually would survive. She was just in really bad condition. So they don't really go into that in the second movie. Is she still alive? Just kind of like fucked up in a vegetable? I don't know, because they listed a bunch of shit. I mean, she's got to be dead. But they really leaned into the post-apocalyptic aspect, water world kind of scenarios in the second movie, which has all the, you know, like South Park even referenced during the what was it, the condom wars or something, where the kids learn sex ed too young and they start fighting because the girls think that the boys are going to give them diseases and get them pregnant, and the guys think that they're going to give them diseases, and because that's all they teach them about sex ed. Yeah, so like that's all referencing Mad Max 2 Road Warrior. They even talk about Road Warrior, so he's the Road Warrior. Let's see if this works before I continue. Okay, we're gonna go right here. Okay, so he should start walking now. Look at that, guys. First try. Okay, so we know that the placement trigger for triggering an NPC works. So this might be... I might be able to run a placement trigger and a placement trigger and a cutscene trigger. No, I guess not. Because they can't... I don't have two different paths for them to take. And I don't see the point. Yeah, because I was going to say, because I can make Salverson walk towards him. And then, you know, to make it more dynamic. But it's fine. I can just have him sitting there on his phone, you know. And you just run into him, and you know, to say hi. Okay. Hey, talk to me. Hey, buddy. I hate your face, alright? Well, that's pretty gay. I don't care. Screw you. Kiss me. No! I said I was going to change that dialogue, but it's still funny. Punch, 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 punch. Okay. We're good. Let's go to cutscene. We need to create the cutscene trigger. So, and I'm glad this move NPC util function works really well. You just pass it the item, the person, the character, the enemy, and then it'll trigger whatever path they have, which is great. So, next is the cutscene logic. So let's go ahead. Cutscene. We'll start from the end. So engage cutscene. So in your engage cutscene, I have this nice global variable that if I set to false, I can't walk. So if false been viewed, which is a class I add after they view it the first time, just so you can't just keep triggering the same cutscene over and over. Yeah, which engage cutscene I think I want to change how it works. Currently, it triggers the cutscene as soon as you run into somebody, but I think RPG cutscenes, or at least what I'm calling cutscenes. I mean, these are kind of just like dialogue scenes. But they usually happen when you hit your action button, right, on them. Like in Pokemon, if you, depending on who you run into, but if you just run into somebody, they don't do anything until you click A, and then they start talking to you, right? Because in case, sorry, ignore me. In case, yeah, but then other people, you know, you want it to just trigger when you walk into them, because they're like important. Or do I have to create a trigger placement for cutscenes as well? Like if you walk into some area, do you want to trigger a cutscene? Okay, whatever. Let's take it one at a time. I'm only going to build what I need. I could build a million things if I want to, you know. Hey, Wolffish, mentioned you in a post. Cool. Thanks, Wolf. Alright, let's get back. Okay, so let's just finish this. So in cutscene, we have cutscene has event listener, false. Then we'll add a click event to the cutscene. And this is just for the click events to open and close it and to move it back and forth. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. And then here's the key down to move it forward. Yes, this is all the dialogue movement shit. Okay, but what I want to do is, where is the logic where I close the cutscene? So walking through, I think this is it. So if I run out of things at end of dialogue, close cutscene, and make walking available. Cool. So we'll do this, we'll make him walk again, and then we'll trigger the move NPC. And this resets the dialogue for next time. Trigger walking path if selected and has path. Okay. Now, do I have the character involved here at all that has the cutscene? Badoop, 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 badoop. Position. Position, no. Yes, position. So the position that is connected to the map cutscene have the same name as the cutscene, which makes it easier to connect people to cutscenes. Okay, so I can use position. Basically, if the position has a data path, it's not just a data path. He needs to have a cutscene. Yeah, how am I doing that? So I need to do this. Where's cutscene? I need to add this shit. Hadoop. Trigger cutscene, which will be right here. And cutscene. Cutscene. Okay. So, if it has a cutscene, then I need to add a new class. Hey, now look at that. We have a class thing right here. Hadoop. 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 So, if it has a cutscene, no, I can't make cutscene the class. No, I don't want to add a class. Do I want to add a class? Yes, I do. Because a cutscene, so I don't even need to know what's in the cutscene field. Shit. It just needs to be a checkbox. Damn, that changes things. Yeah, because I don't care about the cutscene itself. Well, maybe I do. No, the cutscene should be... Well, what if the cutscene's connected to a different character? Like when they finish their cutscene, then somebody else starts walking, right? So it actually might be better to define the cutscene here. Okay. But then I need to add a data attribute then. So walking path. And then let's do one like this. If false equals empty path trigger cutscene, right? Then we'll add data path trigger cutscene. equals path fucking trigger cutscene. Okay. So now that I know the cutscene slug, then so I know when to trigger it. I know when to trigger the cutscene, but I don't know how to make sure it's the right cutscene. Okay. So what I'll do is get which cutscene it is, and if it matches, then trigger. Right? Oops. Come on, bro. Path trigger equals. Shoot. How am I gonna grab the attribute of... No. It's the person I'm running into. Yeah, but if their cutscene is pointed from another person... Okay. Okay, let's... Path, trigger, position. So I need the cutscene's name. How do I do that? Let's see. Where's the... Don't I have a class for that? Like, so I need document.query selector. And the query selector is going to be data trigger cutscene equals so I need clean class name cutscene class list. Yo, wait, what does a cutscene actually look like? I forget. Okay, so it's map cutscene, and then Forno map cutscene. Okay, so Forno map cutscene. So I would just get Forno. Okay. Class name. So this would return Forno. But right now my trigger cut... Okay, whatever. I haven't added it yet. Okay. So this should be right. Okay, so that gets the position of the person who has the trigger connected to them. Okay, this should work. So now move NPC, NPC path trigger position. Technically this should work. Trigger walking path. Yeah, this has to exist. So if path trigger position. Then we'll try to trigger this. There we go. That's better. Alright. I think this is gonna work. And I bet you 100 million high fives that this is gonna work first try. Alright, so in the case of what I got going on, yeah, we can't add 2 things, so we'll just do 4 now. And you see, cutscene could be somebody else's cutscene, so it could be, you know, Siona's cutscene could trigger Forno's walking path. Giving myself options here. And I'm confusing everybody, including myself. Yes, this is getting complicated and unruly. But it's all gonna work. So check it out. Right now, I did not mean to do that. I'm going to load. He's not going to be walking. He's going to be right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run into him, start the cutscene, and when I finish the cutscene, he should start walking. If everything I did was correct. Did I compile? I no longer remember. I'm going to do it again. Just so you don't take all my high fives. It's good. Getting some stuff done. I got so stuck on gear before I started working on this NPC walking path that I don't know, I was getting frustrated. But this is cool. This is, you know, I like when what I'm building has a function, right? And before I was just building things that I could use in the future, but now I'm like building something that's going to work for the first level, and it's going to progress my levels. Okay, so here we go. Step 1, walk. Okay. Step 2, go through this. And step 3, nothing. Okay. Well, let's see why. Did he get... Does he have the classes he needs? Data, trigger, cutscene. Forno. Good. He's got his path. Yeah, whatever, doesn't matter. So what did I do wrong? Data trigger cutscene equals clean class. Okay, it's got to be the clean class name. Let's see what I'm getting here. Yeah, right. A boop, ba doop, ba doop, ba doop, ba doop. Hey, I'm going to take a little bit of time right now to shout out everybody who's following me on Twitch and or subscribe to me on YouTube. YouTube is outpacing my follows. I mean, I've got 65 subscribers on YouTube, and I've only got 20 followers on Twitch. But I greatly appreciate everybody. Even if you're just lurking, you know what I mean? Because otherwise I'm a psychopath talking to myself. But in all seriousness, go tell your friends and your mom and everybody about me, and have them also subscribe and follow me. I need the numbers, you know what I mean? I want to become an affiliate and a partner and start my journey of, you know, making this mean something to I don't know. the future. Like I said, I don't do much unless I have a possible path of making money off of it. This would be one of those things. But also, yeah, feel free to tell everybody about the book. That's also the main point of this. Okay, let's try this again. See what I get. Oh yeah, that didn't remove shit. So I need to remove all this shit. Womp womp womp. I guess I didn't think about that. Clean class name. Let's remove some more stuff. Wait, why didn't I add? Oh shit. That's right. Okay. I guess I can do map cutscene. And then we'll do these as well. Right. And then let's do another one. With the remainders. Corner map cutscene, and then let's remove been viewed. Oops. Okay, so that's the last one. And yeah, that should be good. Technically, I don't think I need all this space removal shit. You know what I mean? I think I can just clean it like this. We'll see what the class looks like, but it might just have a bunch of spaces, but that's okay. Yeah, right. Alright, let's try that out. So this should leave it with just the name now. Come on, go do your thing. Alright. Let's see what we got. Womp womp womp. Womp womp womp. Wait, what? Oh. So I did screw something up. No, I didn't. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Class name. Cutscene. Looks good. Let's refresh. Maybe it just wasn't compiled. Nope. It's not a valid selector. On. Oh. There's a space. Alright. Isn't there like a trim function or some shit? How do I remove spaces? I guess I could just do it like this. There we go. Well, that's not a bad idea, actually. Let's add that to the end of this one. At the very end. Wow, the space removal. There we go. Remove all your spaces, is what I say. And then I don't need to add it here because it should already have no spaces. Wait, what happened? Oh. Okay. It should be good. No, excuse me. Alright, it compiled. Let's see if I'm still getting this error. Map cutscene. Okay, well, I'm not getting that issue anymore. But what the fuck? Why is that cutscene not triggering? Hold, please. Let's not trigger on load. Okay. What the hell? Why is my cutscene broken? Here's the cutscene. Map cutscene, map cutscene. It looks completely fine. What did I do? I broke something. Well, it's not getting triggered. That's kind of weird, right? Is cleaning the class name fucking with it? It shouldn't. Unless the new clean class name is fucking with everybody. Oh shit. Forno map cutscene. You idiote. Map cutscene. Yeah. There we go. That should be a little better. Not triggering the cutscene anymore, but... Alright, what the fuck? Let's remove these and see if that fixes this. And then let's remove this and see if that fixes it. And blah 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 blah. Yeah, I'm not 100% why the cutscenes are no longer loading, but this is the only thing I changed that would be around that realm. Alright, still not working. Must just be the space thing. I don't know. I don't see why that would be an issue. What I'm actually going to do is completely back out what I just did. And see what happened. I'm going to add these back. I'm going to remove these. And let's see if that brings the cutscene back. Otherwise, it's got to be something in here, which I don't see why it would be. Okay. So now let's go here and try not to break that. So we'll just add, we'll do what I was doing before and not go crazy. We'll add to this. I'm going to follow suit and do map cutscene. Okay, and then map item. There is no space, so I'll leave that with no space. And then it has been viewed. Yeah, that might be fine. Okay, let's try this out. My guess is the class is going to be wrong again. Okay, well, let's... For now, it worked. Well, almost. It needs the dot. So... good. But I think... now that I'm getting Forno, the query selector isn't just, oh, data trigger cutscene Forno. Right. That is correct. Shit. Hold on. Path. Data trigger cutscene. Let's double check what his data trigger cutscene says. Should just say Forno. Beep 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 beep. Data trigger cutscene Forno. Yes. So that means that there's a space at the end. Okay. So let's just do this specifically on this one. Alright. Great. Alright. I think this is going to work. Because that space will go away. It'll be... I mean, I don't know why that space would be a big problem, but... Doot. Look at that. Fucking genius. Pretty cool. So now we have multiple ways of triggering the NPC's walking path. I can run into a trigger point where I can put anywhere on the map, and we can also trigger it with a cutscene, and a cutscene ending. And now we can push this code up and use it on the first level. So why don't we do that? Let's just jump right in. Okay, we got this. Let's do a push. Existing site. Let's do stage. And I want to do select files, because I don't want to push all the random shit that's different in my local. Did I just destroy my do? Anybody that's getting older can probably relate, but definitely thinning, you know, in my older age. I'm not embarrassed by it. It's been going on for a long time. And, you know, it's been kind of fine because I just shaved the side and backs of my head. So, you know, it's not a whole lot around there that I have to deal with. But on the top, it's definitely thinner than it's ever been. You know, like when it's wet and stuff like that, you can really see. And even if it just gets a little oily, you know, my hair gets thin. You can see through it a lot easier than it used to be able to. And I tried doing things like getting special shampoos and I think I was taking pills and shit at one point. Like, whatever. I mean, I don't know. Nothing works to a point where I could like see a difference. The only thing I noticed kind of was like maybe some hair on the hairline growing, like little smaller hairs that might not have been, but they could have always been there. I don't even know. I mean, part of the reason I got this face tattoo was because it's kind of filling in my hairline on the side. As it recedes, like I can fill in the tattoo more. So I'm just gonna replacing the hair with tattoo, which that's cool. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's a big issue. You know, hopefully my wife doesn't think it's a big issue. She hasn't said it is. If she feels it is. But I think I can push all of this, right? Yeah, I'm gonna push all of this. Okay, let's push. But definitely hair plugs are on the table. It's something I have seen done to a family member, and you know, the technology has gotten a lot better since then too, and I know it works. I know it's a real option, and I know I have a lot of hair, you know, to pull from transplant wise. I mean, I used to have notoriously very thick hair my whole life, so that's why it's so noticeable. I mean, my buddy, I've had buddies who kind of have thinner hair already, like just my whole life they've had thinnish hair, like very wispy hair. So like, you know, they're probably used to it and it doesn't make a difference, but I've definitely had very thick hair my whole life as a Frenchman and Italian. So it's so yeah, it's something that I'm definitely gonna consider dealing with at some point. And I don't know in what form or fashion, but definitely in some way. Okay, let's get out of the local. Let's go to stage. Yoop. Alright, here's stage. Move staging changes to live. No, do not. Let's go to staging admin. My stage is on 653. Good. Do you mind? Okay, since the stage is updated. What? Send anyway. Oh god, forget it. That's weird. Okay, I'm in stage. So, for stage, what I want to do now is take Salverson here, and let's do something with him. We got to create his walking path. It's going to be during a cutscene. So, fuck off. Here we go. We have his position. He is using what? Where's my feature image? Here it is. What's he using? He's just, oh, he's using, okay, Salverson is the Discord symbol. Love it. Alright, so let's make his walking path actually pretty quick. So we'll do 5. And then repeat, no. So I won't even touch that. And let's give him a walking path. So let's jump into the front end now and see what we want. We got full screen mode on. Top toolbar. Alright, there we go. So let's get into the front end. I'm logged in already, so I can just jump right into the game. Oh wait, I gotta make it 1. I gotta fix that bug. Alright. Okay, so I'm already here. So the first thing that's gonna happen is I'm gonna walk into him. Boop. And I'm gonna get a cutscene. Which I thought I already had a cutscene, so hold on a minute. What that about? I think cutscene is just named Forno. Oh, Forno Foresight. Right, it doesn't matter what it's called, I think. Right? Yeah, I don't think it matters. Just the area and yeah, okay. Well, let's, oh yeah, Salverson Foresight. Nah, see, Salverson Foresight is the same. What the fuck? Why did you take me here? Am I not allowed to edit you? What the fuck is going on here? Hold on, let me clear the permalink. Something weird's happening. I should be able to edit that without a problem. Oh shit, I can't do anything. What the hell? Well, this isn't good. How come it won't let me go to any of the settings? It won't. Well, that's no good. Let's flush the cache. SCPS, redirects all mates SCPS. Turn on WCache to allow improved caching plugins to build and control persistent cache. No. 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 Alright, well, everything looks good. At least I can go to editor. But this doesn't bode well. Yeah. It's like it doesn't want me to go to the fucking settings. Shit. Is that the same for... Hopefully it's the same for local. Let's see. Let's just go to fucking... whatever, home. No, works fine. Well, that's no bueno. Shit. Okay. Wait. Can I even be on this page? I can't. What happened? I was just there. Oops. My bad. What the hell? Why is it no longer letting me do anything? Scott Adrian. What Oh, did I log in? Oh, dude, I logged in as some random subscriber. That's why. I'm so dumb. There we go. This should do it. Weird. That's really weird. Yeah, see, now I'm Harmonian. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Let's go back. So, I don't need to do permalinks. Yeah. So let's go to cutscenes. Let's check Foresight. Should be good to go. Yeah, he's here. He looks good. Cutscene. Author. Area is Foresight. Character is Salverson. I don't care. Yeah, Salverson. Okay. So I think... yeah. Let's trash this one. I know I had his cutscene working before. And it might be misleading that I changed his title, because I could have created it Fornos without the extra title. But this one should be good. Should be in Foresight. Should have the right shit. Yep, we got the character, we got the area, and we got the feature image, so we'll let those load and see what's going on. Okay, yeah, it looks good. Alright, well, if you look so goddamn good, let's leave the game. I don't know. I'm gonna reset the game. I know it asked me to start a new game already, but... let's go ahead and see what's going on now. I should get a cutscene. I don't. Fuck you, why not? What am I doing wrong? I need documentation. Alright, here's this cutscene. It's Salverson map cutscene. Looks good. It's got the cut character. Wait, what? Oh, that's me. Yeah, it's always the same. And then we have our shit. And we got his shit. So why not? Huh. Wait. That's him. His cutscene should trigger. It doesn't have a, you know, a special class on it that blocks it. Path on load. Wait, what? says a path on load. Why? Oh. Well, cutscene should still work without any cutscene crap. Hold on. What is going on? Let's double check the cutscene logic on Fornos. We've got normal shit. Let's check if there's a custom class. There is not. No custom class. Nothing special. And then the cutscene has area character and featured image, area character. What the fuck is the difference? Salverson. Did I spell him wrong or something? Like, what the hell? No? Everything seems fine. You got same shit. Cutscene looks good. Foresight. Foresight. Yeah, I'm really not seeing any major issues. The front end looks completely fine. He's just not triggering. What do I do? I don't know. I guess this should be getting triggered. This, so it doesn't, which it doesn't. Then we got the dialogue, map cutscene position. Make sure to fly. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, he gonna die. I got a new weapon. One of those zapping fly swatters. Okay, I feel like I'm going to remove you. Like you might be screwing with me. Oh wait. There's no... Oh, okay, cool. Alright, we got Foresight, we got Salverson, we got me, Salverson. I think, let's double check how engage cutscene works. It looks like if engage, if not engage, if map cutscene engage, do nothing. What? I don't get it. Map cutscene engage. Let's double check. Map cutscene scene engage. No. Nothing's happening. Pretty sure this should get an engage class when I run into it. Oh, wait. I see a console error. What? What is this? Null. What is happening? What is this console error? And why are you here? Some shit is causing a console error, and that is screwing with my events. MailChimp ready. Okay. No more console error. Still doesn't work. Hey, do you mind working, you piece of shit? Why is the cutscene not triggering? He has... Explore character. Map item. Path on load, whatever. How does this work? Map cutscene, engage. In what scenario is this happening? I don't even know how it works right now. Hold on. Whatever. If map cuts... Oh, this just means if it's already engaged, then don't engage it again. But there definitely shouldn't be a map cutscene engage anywhere. I just don't know if this is getting hit or not. So I got me and me. I mean, whatever. Check they overlap. If they overlap, then check if engage is not on the item. And if it's not on the item, then run. So engage shouldn't be, yeah, he doesn't have engage on him. Right. Dollars in map item. Yeah, I don't know. This doesn't make any sense. The cutscene was working before too, so I definitely broke it somehow. Let me do a quick cache clear. It's not letting me. Come on, dude. Well, this might be a mystery for tomorrow. Yeah, it really sucks. I wanted to get this shit going, but it's just not. Did I push everything properly? Let's see. I don't think I need a plugin or anything. Determining list. Just want to double check. No, I don't want to do any uploads. I don't want to do any WLogs. HE access. No, we're all good. It's really weird. Okay. Well, without a console, I'll double check what's going on. Let's see. Wait, I don't want a console log. Yeah, definitely don't want to do that. So, if those exist. I don't really understand this logic I put together, to be honest. I mean, I really just need to engage cutscene if they have a cutscene. So I could separate this out, but like to check if it's engaged. Like, what does that even mean? Engage cutscene. Like, how would I know if it has a cutscene, right? So if I, what I should do is get the name, the position's name, and do map cutscene. So like this. Query. So where's the position's clean name? Here we go. Position clean name. Hold on. Position is clean name. So I'm getting it twice for some reason. I do not need to do that. Alright. That was a dupe. Okay, so position is a name. So in that case, if position, I'm using the wrong connectors. Okay, so position, map scene, cutscene. So if that exists, then do this, right? Let's double check that works locally and then I'll push that up. I mean, honestly, that's the logic. And even more honestly, I don't need to put it all the way down here in this weird engage check. I'd rather have it somewhere out here where it's easier to check. And then let's go back to the local. Let's double check cutscene works. It does. And it triggers walking still. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and push this then. Refresh. How do I refresh you? Let's go boop. And then let's go boop again. No, not all the files. Alright. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna... Well, either way, if this works or doesn't work. Fly. I'm going to end stream, but this bug be annoying the shit out of me. There we go. Let's go nope. And let's go yep. And let's go push. Alright. Double check. Wrong place. Okay, let's try this again. I think what I need to do is wait for it to... Let's clear cache again. And let's clear browser cache. Alright. refresh. Nothing. Alright. We'll save it for next time. Okay. Hey! Thank you, everybody. I really appreciate you watching this in the future, or if you jumped in on stream at some point. Looks like I might have somebody on YouTube, but I don't know. I never know. Could be bots.